Hey guys, James here from Detroit Deviant. Today we're going to be installing these covers for your valve cover covers to cover your valve covers. It covers over your powered by forward here, so we got this little plaque that's going to go on here, and it actually gets screwed in. It's kind of a curved surface, and we thought it looks pretty cool with the hardware instead of like using double-sided tape or something. We also have it in brushed stainless steel, so you can get it with the satin black or the brushed stainless. And we're going to offer a couple different options. Most of our sales are to Lincoln guys that are doing the Coyote swaps, but of course we can do Mustang or anything else you want lasered on there, like your car's name or your ex-girlfriend that you miss or something. So whatever you want to do. Alright, so it's a real easy install. We're using some self-tapping stainless steel screws, and we're just going to screw it down in. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to zoom in here a little bit and we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to be using these little stainless steel screws. These are a Phillips head. I'm just going to take some blue tape, and once I have it exactly where I want it, you can kind of line it up on here with this one. Everything looks good. I'm just going to go ahead and tape it down. That's pretty good. Alright, and then I'll go ahead and drop in a screw in the middle. Whoa. Alright, so I can go ahead and take off this tape and just finish up the other holes. Alright, so the last thing I like to do is I take each Phillips and I'm going to put it so the stars are all facing up and down. Kind of index these screws. Alright guys, that is it. So that really gives it a nice look. Of course, we're poked through the bottom, but there's nothing to hit back there. So we'll go ahead and put it on the car. So there you get a good shot of it. Pretty sweet. And install is real simple on the car. Just kind of pops down on there. Put your hose back on. In case you're wondering where we got this, or this, let's get some water on it. Those are both from both my products as well, from DetroitDeviant.com. And guys, don't forget, these can obviously fit on your Mustangs too, so we're probably thinking we're going to sell more to the Mustang guys than the Coyote swap guys. But that's alright with us. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, James here from Detroit Deviant. Today we're going to be installing these covers that go